Realtors, it's time to ditch that cheesy sales lingo on your social media content. Today, I want to challenge you to show up on social media as yourself. Hey, I'm allyk Figiel with Systematize Your Social. I'm a realtor with my husband Zach, and I've also grown our business with the power of social media, but without any wasted time. On last week's video, we talked about the tricks for staying consistent on social media. But what happens if you're consistent, but you're still not getting the engagement that you worked so hard for? It's frustrating, right? So there's so much noise on social media about the real estate market, about who's selling most houses, about how there's literally no homes for sale, there's no inventory, blah, blah, blah. So the way to cut through all of that noise is to share your story, to invite other people in behind the scenes to be on your journey with you. So I hate to break it to you, but only posting about real estate, even on your business page, is just not gonna cut it. Now, more than ever, people wanna be in community, even if it means that it's online. So my husband and I have seen the power of this year after year on social media, and it's how we were able to build our business up from literally nothing. We shared our struggles getting started in the business, working together, our successes, so the homes we sold, whatever, and our whole journey in between with our whole entire audience, even on our business page. So your posts are gonna get so much more engagement when you just show up as yourself. As a realtor, you are your brand, therefore you need to show up for your business. So your challenge this week is to take a selfie. I'm super bad at selfies, so I know how it feels if you're like self-conscious about it. But even more than that, tell your audience a story. So show your face and tell them a story. Tell them like what you did today, or tell them a show that you've been binge watching, or tell them something that's been super encouraging to you this week and why it means so much to you. And dare I say, resist the urge to even talk about real estate at all. Just don't even bring it up. So maybe it'll help you if you have a glass of wine first. Sometimes I do that too, and I won't tell anyone.
Okay, so let's start off with a couple examples. So this is from my Instagram page. This is a post. Obviously, it says get set up on an MLS search. So this is very real estate related and business focused. So on here, I just shared this infographic, and then I posted something about how websites are super accurate and you need to get set up on a search with your realtor, as we all know. And this post only got 15 likes, which is not that bad, but compared to my others, like this just did not perform well. And probably because I posted this boring image and I didn't tell anyone who I was or what I stand for. I just said what I do. Okay, here's another example from my Instagram. So this is a picture of me with my little daughter. She was probably just a couple months old at the time, so obviously she's cute. But I look like a train wreck. But no shame, I still posted it, whatever. Proof that you don't have to look super awesome if you're gonna post something. Anyways, all I wrote in the caption was, "Happy Monday, y'all. Drink your coffee, find moments to relax, and enjoy the little things." So it doesn't have to be hard or pretty. Okay, so one last example for you. This is a selfie of me at the office with my coffee, because what's better than coffee? Anyways, it's not super great because I told you I'm really bad at taking selfies, but it worked. So I posted, "Hey you deserve to be confident today. Not when you lose 10 pounds, not when you make X amount of money a year, not when you get that promotion. Today. Today I'm working on my confidence by reminding myself that I can be confident in the body I'm in. Thanks to guilt-free eating for this mug. I'm so excited to be working with Not Your Plain Sarah Jane to help me style a brand new wardrobe for my brand new postpartum body. I'm investing in myself now because I'm worth it now, and so are you." So this was just something encouraging to me at the time, something I'm passionate about, so I shared that. Obviously, it has nothing to do with real estate, but that encouragement and positivity and authenticity is something that people are going to resonate with.
So of course, we need those business-specific posts from time to time on our social media so people know, that we sell houses, and they'll refer us or use us as their realtor. But when you share your true, authentic self, it will attract people to know, like, and trust you. It makes a huge difference because knowing, liking, and trusting is a bigger business full of people who respect you and support you big time. No cold calling, no paying for leads, all that not fun stuff. So go and take your selfie and post it with your audience. That is your challenge this week.